First, start by opening Adobe Photoshop and creating a new document. Set the width to 85 inches and the height to 11 inches, which is standard letter size. Adjust the resolution to 300 pixels per inch for high-quality printing, and select CMYK color mode for best results when printing. Now, let's add some structure. Use the guides by dragging them from the rulers at the top and side. Create margins, perhaps an inch all around the edge, to give your resume some breathing room and prevent text from running off the page. Next, select the Type tool. Click and drag to create a text box for your name and contact information. Choose a professional font, like Arial or Helvetica. Increase the font size for your name and use a slightly smaller size for your contact details, like your phone number and email. Change the formatting and colors through the top menu. Create additional text boxes using the Type tool for different sections of your resume: experience, education, skills, and perhaps a brief summary or objective for each section. Choose a clear heading and then write the content underneath. Use different fonts and styles to create hierarchy. To enhance the visual appeal, add some design elements. Use shapes from the Shape tool to create lines, boxes, or dividers between sections. Change the color of these elements through the Properties panel, which opens automatically when a shape is selected. Consider subtle background color or texture to add depth, but be mindful of making your resume to visually busy. Use the Image tool to insert relevant professional photos. Save your resume as a PDF to ensure it retains its formatting and is easy to share. You did it. You created something impressive.